Hey, what's up AMP coin holder? What's going on this time? AMP price, as you can see here, minus 0.73% decrease now in last 24 hours. And if we check out, my friend, the last 3 days chart, so in last 3 days everything is going very good. Plus 7.41% in last 3 days, my friend. As you can see here, the AMP price will increase now. So that's mean to this is temporary failures in last 24 hours which they take, and I hope they will easily wake up and moving upward after this fail. So try to understand holders, don't focus in last 24 hour fails. I'm 100% sure to in upcoming time, my friend, they will get a very good profit. But for that you will need, my friends, to invest it. Absolutely, if you are starting investing, then the market cap is increasing, and when a market cap is starting increasing, definitely, my friends, the price will also increase. So as you can see here, in last 1 hour plus 0.89% the price is increased, but in last 24 hours minus 0.49% also decreased. So in last 7 days, as you can see, 3.27% they will get a profit, and the rank, as you can see, my friend, is 67, and the market cap, as you can see, 2 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 21 million. So my friend, the circulating supply, as you can see, 48 billion, and max supply 99 billion, and distribution 48.29. I think the distribution is going very bad. It falls down, distribution is decreasing. I hope that they will increase in upcoming time. It's really bad if they will hit now 50, so I think it's going good now. AMP price will be increasing, my friend, if a holder are starting investing, if a holder are starting holding. Otherwise AMP price will more fails down. So therefore, my personal experience, my advice for all of you, to please hold down and don't starting selling. I'm 100% sure, my friends, in upcoming days they will wake up and they will get a very huge pump. So please holders, do this what I tell you. I hope you will earn a lot of money, and you will every day, my friends, get a profit. See you next time. Please like video, don't forget to subscribe channel.